A warning as Montana students gear up to head back to class. Now, new information out today shows summer did not put a stop to last spring's whooping cough outbreak as expected. Now, despite bringing in extra nurses across western Montana, pertussis numbers keep rising. The latest reported just yesterday. In May, MTN reported 125 confirmed cases in the Missoula area. That number now at 160. Medical experts say babies should be vaccinated, and pregnant women, people between the ages of 10 and 12, and adults should receive the Tdap booster. The vaccine takes 2 to 3 weeks to become effective, so parents are urged to get their kids vaccinated before school starts.